go to the store management. Here currently we have physical stores and online stores. So if you have multiple branches for your business, you can go over here and add a store. So here I can name this store Code Nova Tamale. Right, so here you can enter the store address details. Right, here you can enter the phone number used in the store. So you can go through to select your country code. Here you can enter the manager as well, right? The name of the person managing the store. Stop on that now. Here you can also select your operating hours, right? So you can choose to toggle, change the time and all that, right? So I think I'll maintain this, then you add the store. So now this store is created, but then it's yet to be assigned to a manager. I would explain why. So when you click here, now here you can select a manager to assign. Currently we just have one user, which is the code number 360. So we'll add a user here to be assigned to this store, right? Also you can also add the email address of that store. Now here you can set the opening hours again if you want to change them. Here will show screen settings. So here is going to be every device which is logged into Conova Tamale branch store. Here you can add a user, so you can add a team member to be able to manage or probably like control the store. So here you click on add user. Here you type the full name, a username where the user will be using the username and password to log in. You create the password. You select the role, whether it's a branch manager, store manager, or shop attendant. Also now you can also set page access as well for that user. So that store manager might just need only, let's say, points of sale and products, right? So you can just select those two and they'll have access to just those two on the sidebar. So based on the menu access you share with that store or that particular user for the store, they'll be able to access those details, right? So here's how you create a new user, and that user will use the username and password to log in to access the Tamale store. And here you can also either choose to link all products or upload a product for just this store, right? So when you come here, when you come to all products, because we had created a store now, so it shows over here Conova Tamale. So you can add products for just this particular store or this branch you've created from the physical shops, right? Or you can choose, if this store has similar products to what is already there in all products, you can just click on link all products here. All the products of that store will be linked over here. So now you can set the stocks for let's say Cocoa Melon body collagen for women products, right? If the store only has about 5 stocks, you can set it for them. You can set a pricing from the main one as well for them as well, and you can decide to toggle this if you want to make it active with the POS, right? Because if they come to the POS, here shows for Conova Tamale shop, right, store, right, the products they have, and you can switch back to all stores as well. But then if you're currently on Conova Tamale branch, you have this. Based on the products linked for the store, that is what will populate on the POS. So same for the online store, where you would also have to go through the same process again. So if you have multiple online platforms you are running, e-commerce you are running as well, so you can create those stores as well and set managers to be able to use the POS on those online shops as well. So this explains the store management feature